Time for another battle box. Here we go. Now, we have run into a bit of a situation with the battle box because, well, Chris, you guys know Chris, right? He's like the spokesperson for YouTube viewers. He left me a comment the other day saying people don't care about unboxing. How are we gonna look at a battle box without doing an unboxing? That's the real question. Hold on. Alright, Chris, this one's for you. Nobody cares about unboxings. Well, I mean, it's still going to be a little bit of an unboxing. But we're going to try to make it quick. Oh. We've got the Battlebox Mission Brief. This is for mission box number 73. Boom. Alright, if you're new to my battle box unboxings, let me just tell you... Oh, it's not an unboxing. Chris is changing the game here. If you're new to my battle box videos, let me explain some things real quick. I got the basic box. This is my third box. What I like to do is go over everything in the basic box, and then I'll show you through the mission brief what's in the boxes that are above this one. There's 3 levels above the basic box: Advanced Box, Pro Box, and Pro Plus. Nice. All right, let's look at this one. This is first. This is the Cipher Bandana made by Coulter Co., I think. 4 modes of communication printed on a 22-inch bandana, 100% cotton, made in the USA. And then there's a coupon to get 15% off other Coulter Company bandana designs, website information and all that. So that's pretty cool. So we got a big old bandana here. That's what it looks like. It's got sign language. It's got, I don't actually honestly know much about the Cipher stuff, but if you're into all that, I know sign language a little bit. It also has something on here about how to use a signal mirror. So it's kind of cool. I mean, you know, have it with you if you're in like a, you know, survival kind of situation, or if you're out on a hike in an area that you're not familiar with, or, I mean, maybe you are even familiar with it. But either way, that's the first thing that comes in the box. Let me tell you the value on the Cipher Bandana. $13.99. Now, I always tell you guys up front, this basic battle box is $29.99 plus shipping and handling. So for me, I think it's around the $45 a month to get this shipped to my house. So I like to let you guys know the value, and they put the prices in the book, and I've done comparisons in the past, like on Amazon and things like that, and their prices are usually pretty accurate in the book. So I feel like it's been a pretty good value so far. You do get, you know, about around that $45, $50 range. So we'll see how this one compares. Cipher Bandana, 14 bucks. Next one, just briefly going over here, is some skin barrier ointment. It says prevents or soothes chafing and blisters during ruck, ambitious operations, and all other imagined misery. So basically the idea here is to put this on hot spots. Anywhere where clothes is rubbing against skin, or skin is rubbing against skin. I did a little bit of research, of course. This is made by Salty Britches, and oh, it's got a seal on it. I was going to say no scent. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. There is a scent, but it's pleasant and it's not overwhelming. Kind of an ointment, right? and you're going to put this on hot spots. The creator of Salty Britches also says that even if these hot spots start developing and you notice some discomfort and things like that, you can put this... My knife fell. Hold on. You can put this on those hot spots and it'll help soothe them and protect them going forward. Pretty cool Salty Britches. I'll have links to the battle box down in the description below if you are interested in this. This stuff is valued at $12.95. It's made in the USA also, so both USA made products right there. So that's pretty cool. Third thing in this month's battle box is right here. Did that count as an unboxing, Chris? I hope not. Anyway, I'll quickly open this. So this is rapid rope, and what it is it's 120 feet of rope. At first I thought it would be kind of like paracord, but it's not. It's flat rope. And where paracord's rated at 550, right? 550 paracord, 550 pounds. This stuff is good for 1,100 pounds. So in their video, they were pulling around a pickup truck with a tractor using this rapid rope. And then they reversed it and actually pulled the tractor with the pickup truck using this. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if I'd necessarily rely on that. But I mean, 1,100 pounds is pretty strong rope. And the idea here is you pull out how much you need, and then you can bring it around here, give it a pull, and it's going to actually just cut that cord. I'll show you. Just super easy, right? So 120 feet. And as I understand it, you can buy refills for this too. So if you go through the 120 feet of rope, buy a refill, drop it in there. It comes in plastic like that. And put her through and you're good to go. So this would be kind of a handy thing to carry around in your truck or maybe even your motorcycle for motorcycle camping. I want to take up a ton of room. It's probably overkill for on the bike. It is always handy to have extra rope with. There's tons of stuff you can do with extra rope. So that's pretty cool actually. I think that's a pretty nice touch. The price on the rope is $24.95. So there's your big one for this month's battle box. $24.95 is almost the price of the box. So $24.95, $13, and $14. So you can see already we're in pretty good shape, and there's still one more product to go over. This little packet here includes the Gtfo wrist strap. This thing says this tool facilitates emergency vehicle egress via side or rear windows in confined spaces. The material of the micro striker bead is used in armor-piercing ammunition, and only a small amount is required to destroy tempered glass. So don't be surprised by its small size. Just a single strike directed from the wrist strap is enough to break glass. So basically what this is, it'd be better if I just show you. It's just a simple little wrist strap. And it has two functions. Well, three functions. One, it's a wrist strap. So, I mean, it's just something to wear. So it's stylish, right? It's got the style and functionality thing going on. So it's a wrist strap. And then down here you see this. This is a little handcuff key. So I guess if you find yourself in a situation where you're handcuffed against your will, I mean, I probably won't go trying to escape from the police or anything. We do not recommend or condone things like that on this channel. But if you find yourself in a bad situation, you got a little handcuff key on the bottom of this little wristband. Now, I think probably what this thing would most be used for is a survival situation. If you find yourself in a vehicle accident, or here in Minnesota, people like to drive their vehicles out on the ice for ice fishing and things like that. I know everybody down south is like mind blown right now, but we do that. What you should do, the responsible thing to do, is if you're going to drive on the ice, you want to have your windows rolled down so you have a way to escape. But if you forget to do that, your truck or your vehicle starts going through the ice, you might not be able to get the window rolled down due to pressure and things like that. So We take this bracelet off our wrist, hold it like this. There's a little bead on here, a little striker bead, and you just pick it up, flick it, and this is gonna shatter those side windows out of your vehicle. So I mean, a lot of this stuff, you know how it is. The in case things happen kind of things, you know, just wear it, you know. I've never been really concerned about the what if things hit the fan, worst case scenario. I'm not a prepper. At least I'm not a prepper at this given moment in time. I think it's good to be smart and good to be somewhat prepared. I am not prepared. Most of you probably aren't prepared if something was to happen, right? I know that there should be a balance in there somewhere, right? So this is a good way to get kind of a balance. And don't always think of it as an absolute worst case scenario, but some of this stuff is just handy to have with you when you're out camping or on adventures. You never know when you're going to need rope, right? So that's not like worst case scenario, but it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And that applies to all this kind of stuff, even like this little survival wristband. None of us think or expect that somebody's going to break into our house and maybe handcuff us to some pipes in the basement or something like that. But hey, that doesn't mean it couldn't happen, right? I mean, that's extreme, kind of an extreme situation, but you know, it's just not a bad idea to have some of this stuff. So, I mean, we don't expect to get into an accident either, but if we do find ourselves in a situation where we can't get out of our vehicle and we need to, you might be glad you have something like this so you can break the glass and get out, right? All right, now we need to talk about the tiers above the basic box, which is the Advanced and the Pro and the Pro Plus. The Pro Plus is basically the Knife of the Month Club. Mission Box 73 Advanced, 2 products this month. Stanley 20 ounce classic trigger action travel mug, which looks pretty decent. I mean, price on that is $25. And also the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folder pocket knife. So this is a $13 pocket knife. I think probably pretty basic, nothing really special to speak of there. I can't speak to quality or anything because I've never used one. Pro Box is the Vortex Optics Solo Monocular 8x25. This is a $75 value. Having the ability to scan your area in a survival situation can certainly increase your effectiveness. And then for the Pro Plus box, again, the Knife of the Month Club. The Knife of the Month is the Revolt Rotor. This is a $90 pocket knife. I saw it in their video. They kind of did a little review on it and it looked pretty slick. Looked like a nice little knife, a few different color options and things like that. So that's mission brief number 73 for the Battle Box. That's the Battle Box for March 2021. Links down in the description if you're interested in subscribing to this monthly mystery box thing. Stay safe out there as always. Have a good one. And we'll catch you next time on Touring Midwest. Oh, thanks, Chris, for letting us know about the unboxing thing. So thanks for speaking for the people, man. Really, really appreciate that.